Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the MAP sensor. This is the Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Which fuses relays control it? Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the MAP sensor, it could be simple fix. We'll talk about testing the sensor as well. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see, guys, where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the MAP sensor, known as Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. Guys, before we check the fuses, before you replace that sensor, first check fuses, then test the sensor and check the connector as well. It could be contaminated with oil or loose connector as well. We'll have video on the channel how to test MAP sensor, which is not very complicated. Facing the engine on the right side of the car, this is the driver's side, we have the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Oh guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fix, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So which fuses, guys, we need to check? This fuse box layout is for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, the facelifted version. If you have 2008 to 2011, we'll explain about it in a little bit as well. So guys, now the fuses that we need to check right here, guys, okay, the numbers will be listed next to the fuses. Some of you may have fuse number 16. If you have it, check it here, the number will be listed next to it. But the main fuse that we need to check today, guys, will be known as fuse number 24, and we're talking about this 20 amp fuse right here. Now, if you guys have 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, what we need to check, the fuse box will look like this one. It will be completely different fuse box. Here we need to check multiple engine management fuses. Since there is very limited information, check all engine management fuses. One of those will be for the sensor, guys. And here, okay, starting here, we need to check fuse number 10 right here. Then we go to fuse number 13, 14, 15. Those are very important fuses right here. Most likely it's that one here that you need to check, but check all of them. Some of you may have fuse number 20, 21, 23 and 24. All these need to be checked. And guys, practically, okay, those will be the main fuses that we need to cover today for that sensor. Again, how to test it, the video will be on the channel, check it out. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check engine, computer fuses and relays, because that could be the fix for it as well. The video will be on the channel if you need help with that. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.